Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox OnePlus 9R in the year 2022, and today I'm going to tell you why I bought this OnePlus 9R in 2022. Let's see what's inside the box. We get to see the phone on the top of the box right away. Let's discuss the top 5 reasons for buying this phone in 2022. Number 1. The design. It has got a sturdy design. It comes with an aluminum frame which other flagships lack at this price point, and it feels elegant. This phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery which comes with a Warp Charge 65 right inside the box. It is expected to give a screen on time of 6 to 7 hours. This phone comes with a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, high quality display along with bright colors in the sunlight. Moreover, we get to see a SIM ejector pin, some paperwork guide along with OnePlus and Never Settle stickers inside the box. The fourth and most important reason for buying this phone is that this phone comes with a 48 megapixel primary sensor along with a 16 megapixel wide angle camera sensor with 5 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel monochromatic lens. In a real life review, it comes with natural colors along with Gcam. It gives more natural looking photos and it will give a more good effect. We also get to see a good quality TPU case inside the box. Now let's talk about the fifth reason and the final reason for bringing this phone in 2022, and that is performance. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 870 processor, which is found to be more stable as compared to Snapdragon 888, which was a flagship level processor in last year, and it was more performance intensive, but it hits a lot. So Snapdragon 870 is more stable and a reliable processor. If you happen to like this video by any chance, consider subscribing it and share your thoughts right in the comment box, and I will come back soon with another tech video. Thank you.